I will teach you how to make any woman think about you all the time. Before we start, I need to warn you about 4 rules, and if you follow them, any woman will be obsessed with you. Use these tips with good intentions, and never with the intention of harming anyone. The chemistry between you starts with the emotional connection you establish. This doesn't mean you should immediately open up and talk about your deepest feelings. Emotional connection is showing her that you are the man she always wanted, all along. The time you spend with her is crucial in the attraction phase. Make these moments light and fun, and make your presence noticed. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make her think about you when she's with you, and how to make her think about you even more when you're not. Pay attention. Rule number 1, don't be predictable. Tip 1. This is the most important. You need to be unpredictable in the right way, so that she realizes that she still needs to win you over, that she still needs to make an effort to attract you. If you put her on a pedestal and treat her like she's a prize, she might start to think that she doesn't need to try so hard because she has other options. This may decrease her interest in you. For example, if you always send good morning or good night messages, stop doing that. See if she starts texting you. Don't respond immediately. Make her wait and be excited when she sees your name on her cell phone. Rule number 2. Be mysterious. Tip 2. Don't share everything about what you're doing. Don't post every moment of your life on social media, where you are, what you're eating, who you're hanging out with. Instead, be more reserved. This also involves disappearing for a bit, but not for long, just long enough for her to wonder what you're doing. For example, if it takes you a whole day to respond to a good morning text from her, and when you finally respond, say something like, "I had a busy day. I hope yours was great. I'm going to rest now because the day has been long. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night." This shows that she is not your priority all the time, and yes, you have a life of your own. Women really appreciate this. Rule number 3. Repeat. Rule number 2. Tip 3. Don't always be predictable. Some dating experts suggest disappearing for 3, 4, or even 5 days. But let's be honest, if this woman is attractive, she might not like that. The secret is to appear and disappear on your own terms, not too often. This creates a mystery. When you talk to her again, she may think, "What is he doing? Is he with another girl?" This makes you stand out from other men and increases her attraction. When she asks when she'll see you again, you'll know she's doing well. Rule number 4, make plans after you're busy. Tip 4, when you start talking to her again, make it clear that you've been busy with work, but also focus the conversation on what you can do together in the near future, like going on a date or outing. This shows that you have a life, but are still interested in spending time with it. During this time, be less available. When an opportunity arises, suggest something like, "I'll be busy the next 2 days, but I have some free time Friday night. How about a drink around 7 p.m.? This helps create the feeling that you have a busy schedule, but are also interested in it. In my trainings, I always advise my clients to prioritize their own lives and interests, but also to create space to connect with others. Avoid being that friend who is always available for text messages. Keep your messages short and to the point. This will give her enough time to miss you and want to see you again. That's the secret to staying on her mind. Use these tips wisely and tell me in the comments if you have used them. I hope you liked the video. If so, don't forget to like and share with friends. This helps us to continue creating useful, quality content. Thank you for watching until the end, and we'll see you in the next video.